This is a great question. How do you dispute hard inquiries? All right, so we teach folks how to do so with a hard inquiry dispute letter. That's a letter that gets sent to the credit bureaus, listing the inquiries that you're disputing, that they need to verify that those are your inquiries. It's usually done within 30 days that the bureaus have to respond. And those letters have worked out pretty well for people. They've had a lot of, I've had 10 inquiries removed off my credit report using that letter. Now, there's other things that you have to do before the inquiries. There's other steps that you need to take before you really start disputing inquiry. That's kind of like the last thing you want to start working on, because inquiries are the lowest impacting to your score item. You want to make sure you address any collections or repos or evictions or charge off, stuff like that. There's steps that you even want to do before you start the dispute process. We have all that covered in my DIY credit system. So if you want to learn more about that, hey, go to my IG, the_brotherman_, or go to thebrotherman.com and contact me directly. Peace.